Hey guys, this is Life with Louie and Tammy. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you this lawnmower kit we got at Sam's Club today. It is a 40-volt cordless 3-in-1 combo kit. And we are going to see what comes with it. I know you've got a lawnmower, a weed eater, and a blower. Let's open this up. And it's valued at over $700 value. And we got it on sale at Sam's Club for, I'll tell you the price if you want to go get you one. That's a real good deal. I've got them on sale right now for $204. But your Sam's Club, it might vary. We got this one in Knoxville on the west side of Knoxville. Throw my knife over here. With some bubble out. This must be part of the blower. Side. Okay, it comes with a battery charger. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. A dual charger. Charge 2 batteries at the same time. That must be the weed eater handle. Lay that to the side. That must be the safety guard on the weed eater. Cuts the string. Lay that to the side. This must be the weed eater itself. We'll see. Yes, this is the weed eater itself. I assume that put it together. It snaps together like that. And it does. Look at that. Lightweight too. That's what that looks like. Cardboard. Put that to the side. for the lawnmower. It throws your grass out. Put that to the side. And this is the lawnmower itself. I'll take it out of the box. Throw that cardboard to the side. Throw that cardboard to the side. Scoot this box over. This is the blower. Right here's your blower. That's pretty good size. Looks like all it does is snap together. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at right there. That's a pretty good size blower. I'll set that to the side. There's the bagger. That came with the lawnmower. Don't look too bad. Set this on that. This is straight out of the box, guys. That's straight out of the box. That don't look too bad, guys. It's also got a safety key on one side. Show you where that's at. It's located right here. And then I guess this is where you might stick your battery. I've never had an electric one before. Oh yeah, okay, that pops up. Your batteries go down inside. So let's open up the battery. My knife again. Okay, Comes with 2 batteries. They're 4-amp batteries, 20 volt. And they do have a power indicator on. You just press a button, which they ain't fully charged, so I'm probably going to charge them up overnight or however long it says. And then your lawnmower, you just pop these down inside here. And that lawnmower's got a indicator right here too. Okay. Not too bad. It's also got a height adjuster on it, which is right here. You pull it toward you, it'll raise it up. Push it down, it'll lower it. So I'm going to put this key in and we're going to see what it sounds like. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. Okay, there's what the lawnmower looks like with the bag on it and the side blower. It also comes with clips to hold the cord on the side. Okay guys, we're going to try out this blower next. Okay, you just put the batteries on the side and turbo button right there. That's what it sounds like. And now, guys, we'll see what that weed eater sounds like. All you do is put your batteries on each side. And also the guard. You just slide it up in there and screw it down. And this right here, the handle, you just unscrew it and put it on. And it's got a safety switch right here. You just press that in. So guys, the next video I'll show is I'll show you a video of me using using the lawnmower, the weed eater, and the blower. And I'll give you a review on it, on how it does. But right now I'm going to charge them batteries up. That way it'll have a full charge. And I'll let you know, well, you'll be able to see on the next video how well the lawnmower cuts and how long the batteries will last. Because if it don't do the whole yard in one charge, I'll have to invest in a couple more batteries to have on hand. But that's according to how big your yard is too. So that'll do it for this video. So if you're new to this channel and you're here for the first time, I welcome you. And also, I've reached 100 subscribers, and I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing. And I'm gonna have a live video pretty soon, and I'm gonna give away since I've got 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a $10 gift card. I'm going to have a giveaway. So that'll be coming up soon, so keep watching. And then when I reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a $20 gift card, and so on and so on and so on. So keep subscribing, guys. And like I said, if you're new to this channel, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe, because you never know what we are going to do. Thanks for watching.